Hi, this is Miss Becky. Today I'm going to show you how to make 4 Halloween snacks. First of all, you're going to learn how to make a witch's broom and an acorn. What else is in there? Oh, a witch's hat. And finally, a monster mouth. Let's get started with the witch's hat. For the witch's hat, you'll need fudge striped shortbread cookies, 𝗪𝗭cie Kisses, and orange decorating icing. To make the witch's hat, flip your shortbread cookie over to the chocolate side. Next, get your 𝗪𝗭cie's Kiss and unwrap that. Grab your icing, and you're going to squirt some right onto the bottom of your 𝗪𝗭cie's Kiss. Now press it to the center of your cookie, and you've got a witch's hat, even with a little orange brim. Next, we're going to make acorns. You'll need chocolate chips, mini vanilla wafers, chocolate icing, 𝗪𝗭cie Kisses, and a knife to spread the icing with. Now, let's make an acorn. First, you'll need a chocolate kiss. Go ahead and unwrap the chocolate kiss and get some frosting on your knife and spread that onto the bottom of your kiss. Grab your mini vanilla wafer, and there's a curved side and a flat side. Press your 𝗪𝗭cie's Kiss onto the flat side in the center. Now, you're going to need your chocolate chip. Put a little icing first on your acorn, and get your chocolate chip and put it on top of the icing. Voila! A delicious acorn that we can eat, not just the squirrels. Now, the witch's broom couldn't be any easier. You just need straight pretzel sticks and miniature Reese's peanut butter cups. First, unwrap your Reese's peanut butter cup. You're going to put the widest part of the peanut butter cup down on your table. Grab your straight pretzel stick and just put it right into the center of your peanut butter cup, and you have a witch's broom. The last snack we're going to make is the monster mouth. You'll need mini marshmallows, peanut butter, apples, and a knife to spread your peanut butter. You'll need to cut your apple into 1/4-inch slices, leaving as much skin as you can so that the green of the monster will show. Next, you're going to put peanut butter on 2 slices of the apple. Make sure one of the slices of the apple has plenty of skin on it. Now it's time for some monster teeth. Take your marshmallows and put a few on one edge of the apple. You can also use nuts for a different look. Now grab the other slice of apple that you put peanut butter on and place that over the top and press down a little bit. There is your monster mouth. Wahaha! I hope you enjoyed making all of the Halloween snacks. Be sure to like this video or comment below. You can also follow this page. Happy Halloween. I hope you have a great one.